13.8 billion years ago, the universe began in a single moment, the Big Bang, where space, time, and energy were born. Before this moment, there were no stars, no planets, and no space, only pure energy waiting to expand. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space, but the rapid expansion of space itself in every direction. As the universe expanded, it cooled, allowing energy to transform into the first tiny particles of matter. Within minutes, simple atoms formed, mostly hydrogen and helium, the basic ingredients of everything to come. For millions of years, the universe remained dark, with no stars to light the vast cosmic emptiness. Slowly, gravity pulled clouds of gas together, shaping the regions where the first stars would be born. Inside stars, nuclear fusion created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the building blocks of planets. Inside stars, nuclear fusion created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the building blocks of planets. Massive stars eventually ran out of fuel, becoming unstable as they approached the end of their lives. These stars exploded as supernovae, spreading newly formed elements across the universe. Every atom in your body was once forged inside a star and scattered through space as stardust. About 4.6 billion years ago, one cloud of gas and dust collapsed, beginning the formation of our solar system. At the center of this cloud, the sun formed, igniting nuclear fusion and becoming the heart of our system. Around the young sun, a spinning disk of dust and gas formed, the birthplace of planets. Tiny particles collided and stuck together, forming larger bodies called planetesimals. One of these growing bodies became proto-Earth, slowly increasing in size through violent collisions. Early Earth was a molten world, constantly bombarded by asteroids and covered in flowing lava. A massive collision with a Mars-sized object reshaped Earth and sent debris flying into space. That debris slowly came together, forming the Moon, Earth's closest companion. The Moon stabilized Earth's rotation and played a crucial role in shaping our planet's future. As Earth cooled, its surface hardened, forming the first solid crust. Heavy elements sank to the center, creating Earth's core and generating intense internal heat. Earth's molten core produced a magnetic field, protecting the planet from harmful solar radiation. Volcanic eruptions released gases that slowly formed Earth's early atmosphere. Water from volcanic gases and icy asteroids filled the planet, creating Earth's first oceans. In these ancient oceans, the earliest life forms began to appear around 3.8 billion years ago. Over billions of years, life evolved from simple cells into complex organisms. Eventually, humans emerged, able to look into the universe and understand our cosmic origins. Earth is not separate from the universe. It is made from it. We are quite literally children of the stars.